Hello everyone. In previous lecture we studied about random experiments, outcomes and equally likely uh, to happen this sample space we have studied. Now in this lecture we are going to study about the event. Now suppose if two coins are tossed. Now the condition to get at least two tails you have to find out. Means how we will do. First we will write the all outcomes. Means all the sample space will be written, and what is the event to get at least two tails. So this condition will be one only, two tails will have a, that is the one event. Okay, so now how to represent it, that we will see. You have to write its definition. Okay, a set of favorable outcomes of a given space of a given space is an event. Okay, example C. When two coins are tossed, when the two coins are tossed, getting at least one tail. Getting at least one tail. Okay, this is the event. Now how we will get? Now we know two coins are tossed. Means what is the sample space? Sample space is HH, HT, TH and TT. Now what it is said, when two coins are tossed, getting at least one tail. At least one tail we want. If not there, then also it will do. So what will be the event? Events are always denoted by the capital letters. Any capital letters you can use. So A will be the event to get at least one tail. So it will be HH, HT and TH. This will be the events. Now next we have to study about the types of events. Types of events. Now in that, first type is the certain event. First type is what? Certain event. Certain event, or you can say sure event. Certain event or sure event. Now in certain event, or you can say in sure event, what? An event is known as a certain event when it contains all the sample points of sample space. Okay, so a sure event contains all the, you can write like this. A event is known as sure event. Okay, a event is known as sure event when its outcomes when it contains all elements, when it contains all elements, when it contains all elements, or you can say all the sample points, all the sample points of sample space, of sample space. Okay, certain event is what? A event is known as sure event when it contains all the sample points of sample space. Now, means suppose what example we'll take. Example is what? A die is thrown. Okay, a die is thrown. Let A be the event. Let A be the event to get number less than 7. Okay, less than 7. Then what? Sample space having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A die contains 6 elements or 6 events. Okay. Now a die is thrown. Let A be the event to get a number less than 7. So A will have the elements which? Events 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all elements it contains in this. So in this, in a event A, all the elements of sample space S are present. So such type of sets are called as the certain event or the sure event. Means what? Whichever elements are present in set A, that all will be present in sample space, then such sets are called as certain or sure event. Okay, now next type, second type of set is impossible event. Okay, next type of set is impossible event. Next type of event is impossible. Impossible next second type is impossible event. Okay, now in this one, a event is called an impossible event if it does not contain. A event is called as impossible event when it does not contain any element, when it does not contain any sample points of sample space. Okay, so impossible event. A event is known as impossible event when if it does not contain any sample point of sample space. Okay, now see how it is. For example, a die is thrown. If a die is thrown, example, a die is thrown. Let A be the event to get a number 7, to get a number 7 on its upper space. Now see, a die contains the elements 6 element contains, and event is what it is telling. Event is to get a 7 on its upper space. So is it possible to get a 7 on its upper space? So A will contain what? There is no element in the sample space 7, so it will be empty space. Or what you can say, A is equal to 5. This symbol you can write. It is an impossible event. Okay, now next type of event you have to study, that is simple or elementary event. Next type, third type is simple or elementary event. Okay, simple or elementary events. An event consisting of a event consisting of only one sample point, of a sample space is called elementary event. Now you will say this is not given in textbook. Now it is given in old textbook. So I am given from there this all definition. Okay, so you have to write it in the notebook. Now example C. What example we will consider for it? A die is thrown. Let A be the event. Of getting score on the upper face. Let A be the event to get a score on a upper face multiple of 5. Okay, let A be the event to get a score on the upper face which is divisible by 5. Okay, which is divisible by 5. Now which it will be? Now sample space contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A element is what? Which contains the which is having a score on a upper face which is divisible by 5. Now in this, which number will be divisible by 5? Only 5 will be divisible. Okay, or you can say that let A be the event to get a score on the upper face which is neither prime nor composite. Okay, or what you can say, that let A be the event to get a score on the upper face is only even prime. This you can say, any you can say, here divisible by 5 said, so only 5 is divisible by 5. So here what simple or elementary event means what? A event consisting of one sample point of sample space. From sample space only one point will be there, will be present in the event. Such type of event is called as simple or elementary event. Now fourth type of event is mutually exclusive event. Fourth type is mutually exclusive event. Okay, mutually exclusive event means two events are called mutually exclusive events if they do not have any sample points in common. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive event if they do not have any sample points common. Now how it can be, we will see through the example. Now see what it is said. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive event if they do not have any sample points common. Okay, means see, suppose A is having the element 1, 2 and 3 and B is having the element 4 and 5. Okay, now when A will be mutually exclusive set when they do not have any common element. See, intersection means it shows the common. When these two sets are mutually exclusive when they do not have any common element, means it will be empty set. Means A intersection B will be the empty set, or you can write A intersection B is equal to empty set. Okay, now next type of set we have to see, that is fifth one is exhaustive event. Okay, exhaustive event. Now in exhaustive event is what? Two events are said to be exhaustive event if their union is sample space. Two events are said to be exhaustive event when if their union is sample space. Events are said to be exhaustive event when union of two set is sample space. Okay, now suppose A is having the element 1, 2, 3. Okay, and B is having the elements 4, 5 6. Okay, now this set will be what? Here S will be equal to, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A is having the element 1, 2, 3, B is having the element 4, 5, 6. So exhaustive it is what? A union B, which is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means in this way, when union of A union B is sample space, when elements of A and B will have the elements of S, then the two sets are called as exhaustive event. Okay. Now next type of set which you have to study is the complementary set. Now next sixth type is complementary set. Complementary means what? Complementary. Okay. Next is sixth type of set is complementary set. Now complementary set is two complementary event. Okay, complementary event. Complementary event is when two events are said to be complementary events if they satisfy the two conditions. Two events are said to be complementary event when they satisfy two conditions. When they satisfy two conditions. Now in that first condition is the event should not have any sample. The event should not have any sample point in common. That is, they should be mutually exclusive event. Okay, mutually exclusive event, that is A intersection B is equal to empty set. This is one condition, and the other condition is the union of both the events should gives us sample space. And the second condition is what? When we say it is a complementary event, when it satisfies the two conditions. Okay, second condition is what? The union of both events should give us the sample space, gives us the sample space, that is A union B is equal to S. Now like this, which set it is, that S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sample space. A is the event having the element 1, 2, 3 and B is having an elements. Okay, so A intersection B is equal to empty set and A union B is equal to sample space. Then you can say they are the complementary event. Now based on this we have to solve the practice set 5.3. Now we will see how to solve practice set 5.3. This all definitions you write in notebook. First example. Now it says 5.3 first example is what? Write sample space and the number of sample point n of s for each of the following experiments. Also write the events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. One die is rolled. Okay, one die is rolled. One die is rolled. Now what is the event? A is the event. A is equal to event A. Even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. And event B, event B, odd number on the upper face. Odd number on the upper face. And event C is prime number on the upper face. Prime number on the upper face. Okay, now S will be what? When a die is thrown, S is equal to what? S will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this. Now n of s will be what? N of s is equal to 6. Okay, then after that event what? Let A be the event to get even number on the upper face. To get even number on the upper face. So A will be event what? Even number on the upper face. Even number means 2 and 4. So n of s will be, n of A will be equal to 2. Okay, now next is let B be the event to get odd number on the upper face. Okay, so what B will be equal to odd numbers 1, 3, 5. Okay, here 6 I forgot. Here is 6 also is there, na even number. So here it will be 3. Okay, so B is equal to what? 1, 3, 5. So N of B will be equal to 3. Okay, now C, event C, let C be the event to get prime number on the upper face. Okay, so C will be equal to prime numbers. Now which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 2, 3 and 5. So N of C will be equal to 3. Okay, in this way we have to write the sample space for all the examples and events. First is sample space. A die is rolled, means a die having 6 elements or 6 events on its upper faces. So N of S will be 6. Event is what? To get even number on the upper face. So even number which are there 2, 4 and 6. So N of A will be 3. Second event is what? To get odd number on the upper face. So it will contain N of B will be equal to 3. And C event is what? To get a prime number on the upper face. So see, this die is having how many prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. So N of C is equal to 3. Like this we have to solve this example. Now see, here it is said 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. In the next example it is said 2 dice are rolled. Okay. Now this you have to write. Now next question. See, next question I am not writing because then the place will be not sufficient to write the answer. Okay. So question not writing. So here what is said, 2 dice are rolled. Okay, when 2 dice are rolled, see, when 2 dice are rolled, we have the sample space. What? 1, 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like this. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. After that 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Now 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So total how many are there here? Total how many? N of S is equal to 36. Okay, now this is sample space. Now what are the events? The sum of the digits on the upper face is multiple of 6. Okay, so let A be the event. Now next is let A be the event. Let A be the event that the sum of the digits on upper face is a multiple of 6. Okay, so which will be there? Whose sum of the digits on the upper face will be multiple of 6. Sum of the digit means addition of the digit must be divisible by 6, means it comes 6, 12. Addition should come 6 and 12. So we see 1 and 5, 6, and 2 and 4, 6. Okay, 3, 3, 6. Again 4 and 2. So we'll write here which 1, 5. Next is 2, 4. 3, 3. And 4, 2. And 4, 2. 5, 1. And 6, 6. Okay, 6, 6, 12. So these numbers will be multiples of, sum of the digits will be multiple of 6. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so N of A will be equal to 6. Now next is what? B event. Second word said let B be the event. Event B is what? Like this also you can write B. Event B is equal to sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. Is minimum 10. Minimum 10 means what? The addition should be 10. Minimum. Less 10. More also will do. Okay, so which addition comes 10? Sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. So which numbers addition come? 10. 10 addition. So it is 4b is equal to 4 and 6 and 4 and 6. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 6. 5, 6 and 6, 4 and 6, 5 and 6, 6. So how many are there? Therefore N of B will be equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of B will be equal to 6. Now next is what? Let C be the event that the same digit on the upper face. Okay, same digit on the upper face. Which having same digits on the upper face. C is the event C is having same digit on the upper face. Means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. Okay. So this I will have because this will require. So we have the last question that C is having. I will write here. C event C is equal to same digit appears on the upper face. Same digit appears on the upper face. Okay, so C is equal to which it happens 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Okay, so n of C will be equal to how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. N of C is equal to 6. So in this way you have to find the event and number of events. Okay, now next question is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins means you know how it is. Okay, next is 3 coins. Now these examples you will write in notebook. Okay, so next is third question, 3 coins. When 3 coins are tossed, what is the sample space? I am not writing question now. Okay, now question number 3. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed. When 3 coins are tossed means S is equal to what? H H H H H T H T H T H H T T T T H, then H H H H T H T T and T T T. Now in this which remain? HHT, HHT, HT, H, THH. Okay, see sample space we will see HH, HTH. In sample space it is given TT, H, HHT. HHT is also written. HTT, yes. THT, THT is missing. So what? THT. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So N of S is equal to 8. Now see events what it is. Let A be the event to get at least 2 heads. Event A to get at least event A to get at least 2 heads. See, when it is said at least म्हणजे कमीत कमी 2 पाहिजे आणि 2 पेक्षा कमीत कमी काय आहे 2 पाहिजेत आणि 2 पेक्षा जास्त 2 पेक्षा टू गेट ॲट लीस्ट 2 हेड्स कमीत कमी 2 पाहिजे 2 पेक्षा जास्त सुद्धा चालतील. ओके, सो हाउ इट विल बी कमीत कमी 2 हेड. 2 हेड कुठे आहेत? 2 1 2 3 2 हेड आहेत. ओके, आणि 2 पेक्षा जास्त सुद्धा चालतील म्हणजे एच एच पण चालणार आहे. एच एच टी एच टी एच टी एच एच. ओके, सो किती झाले n of a is equal to 1 2 3 4 n of a is equal to 4. Event b is what? Event b is what they are telling. Event b is to get no head. To get b is to get no head. So don't want any head. So it will be what? B will be equal to TT. No head. So n of b will be equal to 1. Event c is equal to what? Event c will be equal to get head on the second point. To get head on second point. Means on second point you want head. On second point head you want 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what? C is equal to H T T H and T H T. So n of C is equal to 4. Okay, this over. Now this all over 3 examples. So I followed how you have to write the events. Okay, now next is of 2-digit numbers are formed. Next question is what? Fourth question. Question number 4. Now I am going to give only the sample space, rest you are going to solve. Now I will give only the sample space of this question. Question number 4. Question number 4, what it does? It tells 2-digit numbers are formed using the digit 0 1 without repetition of the digits. Okay, without repetition. Which digits are there? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so S will be what? 2-digit number we have to form. 2-digit number means 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now what? 2-digit means no repetition. So next will be what? 12, 10 over. So 13, 14, 15. Next is 21, 23, 24, 25, 31, 32, 34, 35. Then 41, 42, 43, 45. Now next is 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so n of s how many have formed? C. Without repetition we have to form. Sometimes they ask for with repetition also. Okay, so how many numbers have formed? C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many digits have formed? N of s is equal to 25. Now this rest of the questions you have to solve. Now what is the event telling? The number formed is even. Now number formed is even. Even numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. It will be how much? 13. Even number which the digits in the unit place will be divisible by 2. Means the digits in the unit place will be 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So here you have 0, 2, 4. 6 also. 6 is not there. 8 is also not there. So that much only you have to consider. Now B event, the number formed is divisible by 3. Now you know the test of divisibility of 3. Test of divisibility of the 3, what does it tell? The sum of the digit on the upper face is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So which are divisible by 3? 30, 12, 15, 21, 24, then 42, 45, 51 and 54. These numbers are divisible by 3. Now next is the number formed is greater than 50. So number formed is greater than 50. Which are greater than 50? 1, 2, 3, 4. Finished. So n of c is equal to 4. Okay. Now next question is, from 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to form. Okay. What is said? The 3 men and 2 women. So committee of 2 persons is to form. Means here you write like this. What 3 persons means what? M1, M2, M3. Okay, now committee of 2 persons has to form. Means you have to take 2 only. M1, M2, M1, M3. And what? Other front is what? 2 men and 3 men and 2 women. Means women W1 and W2. Okay, so 2 committee peoples you have to form. These are there, M1, M2, M3. 3 persons are there and 2 women are there. Committee of 2 is formed. Means first 2 persons will come. All men stay. Then 1 man, 1 woman, 1 man, 1 woman, like this take. And then both women like this you will take. Then further conditions, events you have to take 3 events. How it is. Then next is 6th one, 1 coin and 1 die. 1 coin and 1 die means how it will be. 6th example, 1 coin and 1 die means yesterday I told how it will come. 1 coin, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Like this it will come, and then further events questions you have to solve. Okay. Now with this we have finished this exercise 5.3. Now you have to complete this exercise practice set 5.3 in your notebook. Okay. So thank you for watching this complete video.